Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. So I don't know if this video is still even appropriate. I did my car purchase in July and today it's end of November, so I am super behind for this video and I'm very late and I'm so sorry for that. I was just waiting for everything to come in. I did order some stuff from AliExpress and Amazon. And now it's freezing, so I have to keep my car running in order to film this video so I don't freeze my ass off. So I have everything with me right now, and can you believe I've been driving in an empty car for 4 months now. I've been driving in a completely empty car. All I have literally is this steering wheel cover, which I asked my dad to install a while ago because I can't do it myself, and this wireless charger phone stand. And then in the back I have my masks, a bag, and an umbrella, and that is pretty much it. Okay, so I turned my car off to not waste too much gas. I'm gonna try to do this really quick because it's really cold outside today. It's like -5 degrees. First things first, for my keys, I got this little keychain. It's a little white angel and a pearl heart. And this is part of my old keys. It's just a black heart. And the little one also comes with this little tag. I find it very aesthetic, this whole set. Okay, so for my keys, I got a cover. So it's basically just this black faux leather bedazzled key cover. And it's very cute. I thought it'd be nice to just protect my keys against scratches, but also because it also comes with this. And then I got these 3 scrunchies to put around my gear shift stick, my gear shift. I saw this on Pinterest and I thought it was really cute. I got these things that I saw on TikTok. Of course I had to get these coasters. They're just these black thick-ish coasters with rhinestones around them. I got this little car scent holder, and I went a little crazy at Bath & Body Works and I got a bunch of scents, oh no, that I could choose from. I always like to keep a couple in my car because they run out really fast. Next, I got this little thing to put around the Volkswagen logo, again to go with the whole like gems / rhinestone theme. I got a tiny little minimalist trash can for my car. It's very small, so I don't really know how much exactly it can hold, but usually my car, as you saw, is completely empty. I absolutely hate keeping garbage in my car. Like, it has to go as soon as I see a garbage can. And I've never ever spilled anything in my car before, not just this one, but even the previous one. So I'm very like clean and OCD when it comes to my car. So I thought this would be kind of cute. And it is small, but again, I don't keep a lot of trash in here anyway. Now for some bedazzling for my front dashboard, For the volume and the tuning knobs, these two to go on either side of the gear shift. For my rings. Next, I got this little document holder for my registration and my insurance. So it just has like little pockets, and then this one I think opens up. Yeah. So this one you can put a full-ish, not a full-sized paper, but like a mini paper in here. The pendant that I'm going to be putting on my rear view mirror, this one I got a really long time ago. I had this in my old car and I find it really dainty and pretty. The last thing is this car charger. So that was the last of my bedazzle stuff. And then I have a few more practical items. So the first is this Kleenex holder, which I'm going to be using for masks. That's actually so cute. So it opens via Velcro. So I got 2 of these fluffy headrests on AliExpress. Most of these things, pretty much all of them, I got from AliExpress. When I'm driving, my seat is kind of leaned backwards, so then my head is kind of just like not really resting on anything. So I got this to have a bit more like neck support. I got this little bag. I really wanted to put like some necessities in here, period stuff, a hairbrush, deodorant, but I feel like it's a bit too big and I don't really need such a big bag. One more thing that I got is this little kind of pouch. You're supposed to put it in between your seats like this so that you could rest like your purse there, which I thought was really convenient because when I'm driving, I always put my purse either on the passenger seat, but then when I have someone in my car, I put it in the back seat, and then it kind of just moves around a lot, and it's very hard to access. So I feel like this would be really convenient to just have your purse like right next to you. That is a mini haul of everything that I got. It's not really mini, it's kind of a lot of things. Oh, this is inconvenient. Cute. I have like this whole beige theme that I had planned in my head, so I really hope it works out.
I don't usually cry at all, but why is it always close?
Okay, slight problem. I dropped one of the things between my seats and now I can't get it.
If I recall, was a feeling of being alone. I don't know where I'm going isn't far, but in case I go, no need to be stressed.
Got it.
I just love it again. I don't wanna talk too far. They wanna know where you are. You wanna do it again. Lately I don't wanna see where you fell. I wanna lose it again. I think I'll lose it again. I'm just a heartbreaker. You're too easy, too easy, too easy for me. I try, but you need me, you need me, you need to go away. I know you should again. I don't wanna waste my time on those. Can't think straight, I'm lying to my face in the broken mirror. What I want to see, I've lost sight of what's a part of me. The feeling, the anxiety, my mind is running over me. I'm coasting how it's supposed to be. I've lost sight of what I wanna be. I know I keep on coming back to the start of the page. I know it's bad for my health and it makes me go insane. And every night I hesitate, I just can't walk away. No, 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 I know I keep on scarring myself every single night. I come back to the one who's gonna fuck up every time. I try every night to walk away. And 'cause if you want me every single day, and I know I'm stuck and you're in between the way, wanna push you aside, but you're begging me to stay. When I've got the fear of holding on, part of me's open, you wanna stay. And every night you keep on getting in the way, but I get so stuck, you never wanna change your way. When I've got the fear of holding on, you're feeding on my heart to beat. You want me, falling on my knees. You got me locked without a key.
That's kind of cute. I like it.
Without a key, mixing up highs to feel complete. You're riding on a sunken feet, so misplaced that I never reach. And now you
this, you guys. I kind of lost a nail while trying to do my keychains.
And 'cause if you want me every single day, then I know I'm stuck and you're in between the way. Wanna push you aside, but you're begging me to stay when I've got the fear of holding on. Part of me's open, you wanna stay, and every night you keep on getting in the way. But I get so stuck, you never wanna change your way when I've got the fear of holding on. 'Cause if you
Okay, so my camera has already died once, and I don't want to let it die again because it's about to die. So thank you so much for watching today's video. It did run a bit long. I've been filming for almost 2 hours now, which I did not expect for a car accessories haul video. Thank you so much for watching and tuning in with me today. If you did like the video, don't forget to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up to show your appreciation and to support my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
can't think straight.